Ridhivesh Finance presenting SME IPO, that is Suyog Gurubakhshani Furnicular Ropeways Limited IPO 2021. This is a first SME IPO which is again having the same date as like other IPO opening at listing open their issues at NSE and BSE, but this is SME IPO which will be open on within BSE and SMEs. Dear investor, if you see Suyog Gurubakhshani Furnicular Ropeway Limited, this is basically into constructing and ongoing operate furnicular ropeways at Saptashringi Goddess Temple, Kavlan Taluka, Nasik district, and furnicular ropeways provided access to the base of mountain to the temple, which is a height about 100 meters from the base constructions. Dear investors, basically if you see this is the company which is Suyog Gurubakhshani Furnicular has started in the year of 2010 on 11th February under the Act 1956 with the registered company at Mumbai bearing registration. Okay, we will not talk about this. This public limited company has changed Suyog Gurubakhshani Furnicular Ropeways Limited from private limited to limited conversion in the year of 2017 on 21st August, and the building of and operating furnicular ropeway system. Our company has currently involved into infrastructure development project through build and operate and transfer mode BOT, wherein we have completed construction furnicular ropeway system project, also known as inclined ropeways, at Saptashringi Goddess Temple situated at Vani, Nasik. Our project spread over area of 10 acres, which is houses, furnicular ropeway system, shopping mall and park facility and hotel facility. They are based in Suyog Industrial Estate, first floor, LBS Marg, Vikhroli West, Mumbai 400083. For further information, log on their website sgfrl.com. Okay, so according to us, this company is again a star. This is a SME company. Yeah, they also provide the services like for these things for travel, stay, shop and park. Okay, so you can go if you want, you can buy online ticket, go for accommodations, suits, deluxe room, dormitories, your hotel booking, and it's like a app based company. Yeah, means according to this, but it's not, they are into the construction, like they are putting ropeways and all. Okay, so why people is having in India, people have a spirituality, so they wanted to go from one temple to another temple, which is on the most of the temples are on the hills or a mountain. For that purpose you need what exactly, if you are physically weak, how you will reach to the temple? So that's the reason these ropeways are coming into the picture a lot, and there are worldwide so many ropeways are also. So in that case we will talk about this company also, little more about what exactly their worldwide competition. If you really like it, we can talk about that. Okay, so in that case we can say that exactly here we will talk infrastructure company and construction company engaged in building, operating and furnicular ropeway system. That already we have talked. During Navratri festival, there are a lot of people are visiting Saptashringi Goddess Temple. So there is 2 air conditioner furnicular vehicle coaches which is carry 60 passenger devotees at a time, and the shopping complex forming part of our project, and facility more than 50 shops provided various buying avenues visitor including food shops. The parking facility built vicinity and funicular ropeways and capacity more than 150 vehicles including 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers. Lastly, we also constructed hotel which is houses of 28 guest rooms and dormitories, a multi-cuisines restaurant and coffee shop. The below diagram shows that the service provided our Saptashringi projects provide integrated for visitors. So basically, yes, the construction and operations of management Saptashringi projects is allocated period for 20 years and 7 months, which will extended for total period 3 years of 1 month 27 days. It's basically till 2034. This project is with them given by Government of Maharashtra. The project country's first funicular ropeway trolley, which is completed by our well experienced engineering team and management within the time period. PWD Nasik government entity projects such as BOT, contract, award, bidder and certain eligibility requirement. So they given the description about this projects at Vani, which is located in Nasik. Okay, this much we can talk about this projects and about this company. We will come later about the strength, basically what they can do, but that is once their share will be get listing into the market, and then only we will talk about, because this is a single project we can see over here rather than having 10 projects under the single company name. So this is a one single project. Yes, means people visit really well, but we for single project only we will talk about the SMEs, and this is just a startup company. We will come later on what exactly they did into the market very soonly after the listing, etc. Suyog Gurbaksani Funicular Ropeways Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date will be November 1st, 2021. IPO closing date will be November 8, 2021. Issue type fixed price issue. IPO, this is FPO basically. Face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 45 per equity share. Market lot will be 3000 shares. Minimum order quantity will be 3000 share. Listing at Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE and SME. Thank you by Vridivesh Finance. And yes, we will come back for this IPO after the listing date, because we are not expecting that retail investor will put their large amount of money around 1 lakh rupees with this IPO. If you are interested, you can go and do the procedure for the same. So guys, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.